What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with Jaden.
So
we are here at a new car meet. So yeah, so this is a charity meet that we're at right now. We're gonna go ahead and grab some cans. Got some chicken noodle soup, got some old-fashioned roast beef. Jaden got some clothes. Yeah.
for clothes.
I think everything's over there. Yeah, everything's right there.
Alright, cool. Here's the donation pile.
Oh, look, I guess.
Go ahead and drop it in here. Alright.
I'd donate the whole bag.
The entire thing.
Yep.
That's how you do it right there. A nice little pop-up meet.
That's his French Camaro. That thing modded. This is Z01 and it's faster than a Hellcat.
So the meet is being hosted by Living with Mazi and Hemi Live 44. That's their cars right there. This is a charity meet where you come and you do donations.
Yeah, it's a Reels car.
Real to Reels car right here.
392 Cyborg.
Breaking necks.
Yeah?
That's cool. Damn, look at those exhausts. Hey,
Yeah, I like the badge. That Cyborg badge.
Okay. I saw him on Instagram before.
Really?
Yeah.
I saw him on YouTube first.
For real?
Yeah. This is the second one. He had one before this, but I think got rid of it, and now he got that one. He put a
Like a Challenger version?
No, he had another Charger. It was gray and had a Batman
really?
symbol on it. Yeah, this is completely brand new.
What's your take on this one?
So what's my take on it?
What's your take on it?
Well, I just noticed it's the Ninja Turtle thing. I like it. It's a Hellcat.
Camaro just sent it.
Yeah.
On his tires. Ooh.
What is Z01 for you?
That's the one you're trying to get?
What?
Which one are you trying to get?
I'm trying to get the SF.
SS,
I ain't ready
okay.
for no Z01. I can't afford no Z01.
I didn't know.
I barely got my degree.
There's so many damn versions of the Camaro, I swear to God. These cars is twice as bad, dude. Damn. Control off.
Rubber's got my eye. My girlfriend asked me, are you racing? Not yet.
Not yet.
But you best believe.
Thick ass smoke right there.
You can hear his tires sticking. You hear his tires
suspension.
No, the bottom.
Check your suspension. Oh, it's grounded. Police just showed up. They talking to Mazi and Hemi Life right now. Yeah, I think it's over. I think it's done. I think it's over.
I swear to God, they always ruin shit. Motherfuckers always ruin shit, man. Oh, motherfucker call police, man. For what?
Somebody
man?
probably up there called.
Huh?
Somebody up there probably called them that live up there.
Is there a neighborhood over there?
It's a neighborhood right over there.
That's why you gotta. That's why you gotta do away from the neighborhood and shit like that. Yeah, I got a
Oh,
second
they got
one.
to go to the other one.
Oh no.
Always do this.
Well, they're telling them showing up, so I think it's time to dip. I just noticed that little scratch right there on my bumper. I don't know what's going on right now. The cops came up, they like blocked everything down, and then they left. So I don't know. I think we're just gonna hop in, we're gonna take off. That's what I'm gonna do. Everybody appears to be leaving, so we fixing a dip. I see no cops, so meet's over.